Hi! So, in today's video, we're doing this little makeup, and this is my kind of like a everyday soft glam makeup look. I like to do this makeup basically every day, and sometimes I will do it without fake eyelashes, but for the sake of this video I just applied fake eyelashes, and I will apply actually fake eyelashes if I want to look more extra. And I'm just realizing that I started mumbling and rambling about the stuff that you don't really care about, but the stuff that you care about are maybe my Instagram, which will be here, and you can check out my pictures, and you can subscribe to my channel and like this video. It would mean a lot to me. And if you want to see how to create this, as I said, like maybe every day, maybe not every day, it really depends on how extra you are makeup look, then keep on watching. So guys, you know who I'm using. I'm using my KKWX Mario palette, and first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take this eyeshadow. I almost ran out of it. I'm so sad. And I'm going to apply it on my crease. And then on this cream color brush, I'm going to be taking this Revolution Pro Eye Elements. Everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be in the description down below, and I'm kind of like just going to carve out my crease. And because I want my crease to be as natural as possible, I'm not going to like pack the color too much. So with the same brush, I'm going to be taking this kind of like a off-white eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it where I applied my like primer. What was that? Primer, yes. And now the most fun part, at least for me, is like eyeliner. So this you can do basically however you want, but the eyeliner is the one thing that you want to kind of like, you know, do it right. So I'm taking this small angled brush, and I'm going to be taking this kind of like a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to create wing with it. But I'm not going to drag my wing like all over. I'm going to kind of like stop somewhere here and then lift it and just go straight. And now we're going to be blending that, and this will look so much better if you have like tape, but I'm not using tape because, yeah, I don't know why. I just don't use it. And blend this until it starts looking kind of natural and faded. And then it should look something like this. As you can see, really messy, but it will create that almond shaped look that we want. And now we are going to apply this brown eyeshadow once more, but how I'm doing it is I'm going to start here under my lower lash line, because I'm planning on cleaning my under eyes with my concealer, so this way I will know where to clean. You can also do this look without eyeshadow blending. I also wear it like that, and it also looks really good. And now when that's done, I'm going to drag this brown eyeshadow with the same brush in my inner corners to create that kind of like a cat eye effect, or more of like a foxy eye. So we want this to be really natural. And now to clean the mess I did here, I'm just going to be using my concealer, and I'm going to apply a little bit of here and then here. These are just two spots that I need concealer right now. And firstly, I'm going to blend it with my concealer brush, And after that I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm blending it really nicely. This is definitely my favorite look to do. I even do it more natural, but for the sake of this video I kind of made it a little bit darker so you can see everything. I'm going to be taking this little brush and I'm going to actually be taking the same eyeshadow that I used on my crease and just blend a little bit here under my lower lash line. And now highlighter. I love to highlight under my, like, this wing here, because to me it just looks better. It brightens up my inner corners and I just love it. I can't help it. And sometimes if I mess like my inner corner but here, I'm just going to like kind of do this and pat my highlighter where I think I need it. But for today's video we're not going to do that. But if you mess your wing, like, you can easily fix it with a brush. Also, I'm applying highlighter here. And for the sake of this video, I will be applying false eyelashes, but you don't have to do it. You can easily apply just mascara and that would be it. It would look amazing. And voila, my eyelashes are here. What I like to do when I glue them, I like to just kind of like push these corners like that, and that will make me more like a foxy eye, cat eye effect. And I'm applying my mascara this way. I don't know why these days it's trouble for me to apply my fake eyelashes. I really don't know. Now we're going to start with bronzer. My favorite bronzer is Catrice Summer Glow bronzer. It's really nice. I really love to bronze up my face with this, and I'm even going to drag a little here to create that like effect. And I'm also going to blend up my nose. I have bronzer here, but it doesn't look good. So we have to blend it a little bit. And I have pimple here, so that's why it looks so weird. And now I'm going to be applying my blush. I really love these type of peachy blushes. They really look nice on my skin tone, which is, as you can see, I have kind of like a olive skin tone, like a warm tone. I look really cute on the summer when I'm tanned. And after all of that, I will be applying my highlighter. So, on my cheekbones, here. Then with my finger, I'm going to apply it on the tip of my nose, like that. The only place where I like to bake is around my nose, basically, and here, because these are the places where I get the most like oily. And while that sits on my face, I'm going to be doing my lips. And my favorite lipstick is this Wet n Wild. It was really cheap, but I really like this color. For a lip topper, I'm using Revolution. I wanted to say Revlon. Revolution lip topper. This kind of like a goldish one. I like gold lips. And now I'm going to be dusting this from my face. And what's left on my brush, I'm kind of going to apply it all over my face, you know, like that. And maybe soften my contour a little bit if I feel like it's too harsh, which I always feel. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you are satisfied with my makeup, and I really hope that you will try it. If you try it, tell me in the comment section down below. I would love to know, or you can write me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be here. And yeah, it would really mean to me a lot if you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, and give it a little thumbs up. And yeah, that would be it for today's video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!